The reason why Etsy's good, essentially, everyone says that Etsy fees are really high. And don't get me wrong, Etsy does charge you. It's about like a 10.5%, 11% in fees. That sounds like a lot. Like 10% of my money is like, whoa, that's a lot of money, right? But in the real grand scheme of things, if you go and do Shopify and you build a Shopify site, with all the apps and the subscription for Shopify, it's going to be $100 a month, right? Really, for any decent Shopify site, it's $100. Most of our sites are like $500, $600 a month, including everything. Okay. So it's $100 a month, right? Basically. But then you just launch a Shopify site, you've got no traffic. So you've got to pay for traffic to come to your Shopify site. So really the way most businesses work is that's about 25, if not like 30% for normal businesses. For dropshipping stores, it's normally like 25% all the way up until about 60% sometimes. Like sometimes it can be really big. On average, people make more money selling on Etsy than they do with like Shopify dropshipping in terms of profit margin, like your percentage that you take home.